YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Face by Morales, and here we go with another haircut tutorial. Let's go. Alright, so we're gonna start this off by setting in the shape. We're gonna grab that number 2 guard and put it on that babbleless with the fade blade, and we're gonna create our shape, and we're gonna go ahead and set in our parameter también, somewhere where we know that we cannot go higher than basically a guideline. Look at that picture though. Your boy's been killing it on this editing. It's a beast though, for real. Alright, so now we're setting in our bald guideline with those Frank the Barbers. Ya tu sabe, my new favorite trimmer. Alright, we used them FX02, balled them out, the gold ones. Alright, right here we have the babbleless lever all the way open, and we're going up about a 1/2 inch. We don't want to go too high with this taper. We want to keep it mid to low. Alright, now we got that number 1 guard, and we have the lever all the way open, and we're going up another 1/2 inch. Trying to keep this taper nice and right where we want it, you know? Alright, so we slapped on that 1/2 guard, and we're gonna take out that line. We put when we use the 1/2 guard, we use it in the 1/2 position. We never open it up all the way. Alright, so now we have the 1.5 guard. That's basically the exact same one as the white one, except for that it's like a pink or some fuchsia color. Anyways, and now we're just tying it all in with them thinning shears. Ya tu sabe. Hey, I do want to take this time right now, and I just want to thank everybody for watching these videos. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel, drop a like. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this. Me cuesta algo de trabajo to put these things together. The cutting hair part, that's not the hard part, you know. Putting all this stuff together is the hard part. But let me know if you guys like it, and thank you for watching. Alright, so if you guys seen my tutorials before, I like to use that number 2 right there. I press harder down at the bottom, and then I gradually take all the pressure off of it, and then like kind of just shape with it. Alright, now I went over to this number 4, and I'm scooping out at the top. I don't want to put any more guidelines. I don't want to put no harsh lines or nothing like that. Just going up and scooping out. And this number 4 right here, I mostly created all the shape I want with that number 2 open, pero I use this one también, just define the shape a little bit better. Alright, so now we got that babbleless FX, the gold FX. We're going up 1/2 inch using my knuckle brush to wipe away all the debris, and we're working left to right. Check it out. Alright, now we got my Frank the Barber trimmers. Man, them right there, boy, I ain't even playing. but I really haven't got them to stop pulling hair yet though. I need to see what's up with that. I might have to do something to them, but we're setting in our bald guideline with that one right there. So by doing the lever open first, I know that I have 1 inch back there that I could use. So setting my guideline in first, I know that I have 1 inch of a guideline, so I can set my bald guideline underneath of that. Does that make sense? Look at my little nephew here. He got some good hair, huh? It always comes out looking like the blends on his hair texture. They always come out looking pretty good. Alright, now we got that number 1 guard, and we're going up another 1/2 inch, scooping out at the top, making sure that we ain't giving ourselves a harder line that we have to erase later. Alright, so right here we got that 1/2 guard. I really like the white plastic guard, but in these plastic 1/2 guards, I really don't like them that much. I really prefer the premium guards when it comes to this particular guard. Hey, I want to invite everybody to check out my podcast. Me and Ivy Mac, shout out to Ivy Mac. We got a podcast. It's called Barber Clips. It's on YouTube. It's a video podcast. We're eventually going to get it on Apple Podcast and Spotify and all that. But right now we just have it on YouTube. But yeah, help us out. Like, go over there and check it out. I think you'll like it if you subscribe to it. I think you'll like it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link in the description below. I'll put the link to that YouTube channel. That way you guys can see what's up. And then let us know what you think. Leave a comment, all that. I don't know if you guys noticed, but on the editing, I'm learning like little tricks and stuff. I'm trying to get better on this editing. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. You guys like that or no? Hey, slowly, I've been really digging that Babyliss Gold FX. that shit is moving up in my rankings. For real. I've been rocking with it a lot lately. Alright, so it's time to do the lineup. And as you guys can see, he has a tricky lineup. Like, he has cowlicks and some light spots and whatnot in the front there. But we're gonna do it to the best of our ability. We're gonna start in the middle and we're gonna work our way out. In this case, I went right, then I went back left, and we're tapping and going. Frank the Barbers, they be hitting. Alright, so right here when we're doing the bar, I gotta pull the skin down because the distance between the eyebrow and the hairline is kind of tight right there. So I pull the eyebrow down and try to tighten up the bar. As you guys can see, this hairline is kind of a beast, but we're working on it. You see how on this side I even stretched the eyebrow further down. Alright, so we're starting the back lineup, and this will be framing in, some people say, and then we'll be framing in the fade in the little tapered in the back. And that sucks, the camera looks a little out of focus right there. I don't like that. Pero ni pedo, dijo el tapado. See, this is my favorite part about doing a mid tapered, because I get to leave those hooks right there, and I think that's dope. If you could leave the hooks and this line right here on the sides of your tapered, that's how you get that line, by doing like a horseshoe shape or rainbow shape in the back, and then you can still leave that the hairs in the back. That, you know, little trick. All right, there we go. There we go. Before, my man looked like he was back some of the time. And there we go. Brought my man back to life. Got my little nephew looking clean. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.